Hello students, we'll learn to install Flutter on Ubuntu operating system. So for that we need to update and upgrade the Ubuntu operating system. So just go to the terminal and paste the commands. So after that we need to give the password. So once write the password, just press the enter button. So it will install the updates and also upgrades the system. Then after we need to install some dependency packages. So for that, one more time go to the terminal and just paste the commands, press the enter button. It will install all the dependencies. Then after we need to install the VS code for the development. So just copy paste the command. So we will install the VS code classic. So for that, paste the command and press the enter button. It will install the VS code for us for development. Then after, go to the VS code. So once open the VS code, then after we need to install the Flutter extension in the VS code. So just go to the extension and search over here Flutter. So we will install the Flutter extension, more than 12.6 million downloads. Just click on and install the Flutter extension. So once Flutter extension will install, just close the window. Then after we will go to the command palette. So that is in the view tab. Go to the view tab and just click on the command palette and search here Flutter new project. Once we click on the Flutter new project, it will ask for the Flutter SDK. So we need to install the Flutter SDK. For that, just create one folder on desktop. So I need to create the folder on desktop. Or don't use the space in between the folder, just create the folder. And after selecting the folder, we need to click on the clone Flutter. Just click on the clone Flutter and it will download the Flutter SDK on our system. So it will take the time. It's depend on the internet speed of your system. So it will take some time. So now it will installing the some dependencies like packages, fonts. So all these things are required to build a Flutter project. So after installing the Flutter SDK, it will ask to add the path. Just click on the add the path button. So it will add the path automatically. There is no need to add the path manually in the system environment variable. So after installing the SDK, we need to restart the VS Code. Dear students, before the starting the Flutter development, you need to install either Chrome browser on Ubuntu operating system, or you need to install the Android Studio in Ubuntu. You can run on Chrome browser also, or you can run on the Android emulator. So that two softwares are also essential for the development. Thank you.